I just curled my eyelashes and with my Shiseido curler, and I'm going in with this new Clinique mascara. That's just one coat. That's just one of the mascara, and I didn't even double dip. The second layer, second coat of the new Clinique mascara. It's definitely lengthening and separating, and the more you build up, I can see where it could be volumizing too. Those are the two layers. And I'll just kind of keep going without dipping into the tube again. This is the new mascara with 2 layers on the top lashes.